Hello students, I hope you all are doing well. So students, today we are back with another chapter of moral science, that is beat the exam stress. So the best preparation for tomorrow is to do today's work superbly well. These lines are given by William Osler. Okay, so let's see the discussion. Okay, so everyone has to face exams. Whenever in school or in college, we all have to take exams. These can be unit tests, half yearly exams, or final papers. There is no way to avoid exams. At each one of us gets the jitters before every exam. Won't it be wise to remain prepared for something which we anyhow have to face? If we are prepared for the event, we will not only feel more confident, less stressed, but also come out with flying colors. Okay? So, now, why do we get stressed during exams? So, all of us feel some level of stress before an exam as there are things at stake. First of all, we have invested our time into it to prepare for it, but the end result is the overriding. Okay, end result is the overriding principle in our mind. Did we do enough? Will we get good scores? Are things that trigger the trigger the trigger this in us. So being a little tensed and stressed before an exam is a very natural phenomenon. Okay, so everyone is nervous and experiences those butterflies in the stomach. People of cool temperament are likely to be tensed before and during exams. To some extent, it may be good to be a little nervous because it probably helps you to perform to the best of your capabilities. Okay, so too much of worry, anxiety, and panic can be harmful and leads to poor performance, isn't it? Yes. Now, how can we minimize our stress level? A certain amount of stress is bound to occur. This happens due to our very of natural of anticipant which generates an anxiety. So okay, now antipatient which generates an anxiety. Now questions like will I be able to do well? Though now how though or long will the paper be? So what would be the result? Are questions which generate tension. If this goes if these goals are out of control, it leads to panic and our performance goes down. Okay, so now let's see the actions to be taken before the exams. Okay, so now for that we have to do regular studies throughout the semester year. Okay, if you devote a fixed amount of time every day for your studies on regular basis, you will realize that you are not so panic stricken before the final exam. Make sure you make your notes, revise what is done in the class, and do the homework and assignments seriously. Okay, so devote sufficient time to each subject. Many of us study subjects which we like the most and neglect the others. This is not a wise idea, and obviously, when exams come closer, you start worrying about those subjects which you have so far neglected. Okay, now some thumb rules. So, revise every day, just a little effort every day trying to go through your notes and what has been covered in the class is very useful. If you cannot revise every day, then do it at least once a week. Okay? Now, take good notes. Be attentive in the class and take good notes. Okay? Be regular. Attending classes regularly helps you keep the peace. Okay? Keep the pace. Now, clarity, doubts and difficulties. This could be done on a weekly basis. If you have any problem or difficulties in understanding any portion of the subject, you must have them clarified. Okay? Now, be well organized before the exams. Make a proper timetable every enough time for revising to for revision or revision for each subject. Manage your timetable. Manage your time well between studies and other activities. You won't panic. You are prepared and organized. When you are prepared and organized. Now rest and relaxation. Just before the exam, you must get sufficient sleep. Don't cram the whole night. Many times this makes you feel exhausted and tired, and your performance goes down. You may have a bath with hot water, listen to some music, and go for a short walk with a friend so that your mind is diverted from the books. Now, this is a great way of de-stressing. It is also good to find out your exam center, its location, and the time it takes to reach in advance. Okay? So, now tips for preparation. Prepare your prepare your pens, means prepare your ammunition like pens, pencils, sharpeners, erasers, etc. So that you don't panic at the last minute. Put yourself in a positive frame of mind and try avoiding negative thoughts. Be optimized that everything will go very well. Okay, so don't try to revise at last minute before the exam. This tends to confuse a person. Okay, at a time you may feel that your mind is blank just before getting into the class. This is a good sign and it means you are well prepared. In fact, it is a good idea to keep your mind blank as you enter the classroom. This way you can start your paper with an open mind. Okay, so students, we are done with the explanation of the chapter. I hope you all enjoyed the session. Thank you.